We helped take one of our student Shopify stores from spending $4,000 and getting no sales at all before working with us to being able to literally hop on 2 calls and average 15 sales a day from their TikTok ads. And they literally changed everything and were completely mind blown that even after spending all that money and seeing no results, that there could be just a few tweaks that are backed by data that have allowed them to up their actual sales volume and average 15 sales a day from their TikTok ads and be profitable. And these are the formulas that allow us to actually achieve results. And we go through the exact data-driven strategies on how to actually implement this so that way you can actually see success as well. Everything we do is based off data, and the last thing we want to do is put in our own personal opinion, because we want to remove all emotions and only focus on the analytics and insights that tell the truth. In fact, we've been doing this exact strategy and been reading and analyzing analytics across hundreds of ad accounts over the last 7 years and have generated over $1 billion in sales for our clients because of this. And in today's video, we're going to look at a live example of one of our students and actually break down how they were actually spending $4,000 and seeing no results at all on TikTok, and having been frustrated to being able to actually start working with us and seeing sales literally within a few days of actually trying out these actual strategies and implementing the process. So make sure you like this video, subscribe, because it really does help the algorithm, and we do try to put a lot of effort into these videos so that way you can find value. So let's get into the actual live call. Aaron?
Chase, how are you?
Hey, how are you?
I'm great. I want to thank you, man. For the first time, I finally got some traction behind my ads, and got you to thank for that. So
boom, it's all a work in progress.
Amazing. I love it. Love it. I just wanted to give you a quick, update on what's going on and wonder what are next steps, right? So I finally got this conversion ad running and campaign running, and it's doing pretty good. I mean, from where I came from to where I am now, it's like night and day.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Cool.
Super,
all right. So yeah, let's
exciting.
take a look. Yeah, this is exciting. I would, first step, unrelated TikTok ads. Have you downloaded Zoom?
I do. I have, of course I do.
It's so weird because I feel like I think it's pulling in through your browser.
All right. I'll look at it for next time.
Yeah, that'd be good because the quality like drops it by like 4 or 5 times the amount. It's kind of weird. All right. So these are complete payments?
Yes.
All right. It's really blurry on my end. I can't even see these numbers. Are you able to zoom in a little bit?
How's that?
Okay. Yeah, that's a little bit better. They're starting to come through. Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah, cool. Great. Yeah, you're definitely getting sales. That's great news.
Awesome.
Yeah, huge progress. I mean, you were spending a ton and getting nowhere for a while.
You have no idea, man. I was hearing it from the higher ups that they were about to pull the plug on me, but I'm back in the game. But my question is, my CPA is high, right? Because I'm spending some cash to get these acquisitions.
Sure. Let's backtrack. So what changed between the settings that we were going over and like now with the new launch?
So, I ran the add to cart campaign, which I think helped the algorithm figure out who my people are, right?
Okay. Good.
But even that initially wasn't spending. So you had me staircase some of the spend, which worked. And then I switched over to this conversion campaign, and I spent some money for a budget for each of those ad groups, but it worked. So that's awesome and really cool. But what point do I start scaling down, or do I say, hey, screw it, let's go in the other direction and scale up?
Okay, got it. And what about the audiences? Were you always targeting female?
Yeah, I mean, so I've played around with female and male, but for the brand skews female. That's just the nature of it, which is fine. But I would be willing to test males as well. I mean, I have some creative that sort of tries to speak to the male consumer, but in terms of putting money behind it, I just quite haven't done it yet.
Okay, and are all these have the same creative?
No.
Really?
Yeah, I got.
Oh, they're different.
I got plenty.
Oh, okay, interesting. Let's see here.
And so what I noticed is, for example, this ad, where it's just
let's make a sparkling raspberry mint lemon.
Very simple. I had some old creative of similar that I took and repurposed.
Flavorful, so it makes her the perfect addition to any drink or mocktail. Enjoy.
I mean, just simple stuff, and it works.
Very simple.
Yeah.
So this one's getting a high cost per click, lower CPM. These face value metrics are very average. if you were to shave off half and half on this, I'd be fine with your conversion rate dropping by % because you'd still have way better results.
Okay.
Because your click-through rate could use improvement, but I mean, like you're
Yeah.
making really solid progress now with this.
Yeah,
All right,
that's
so that
always,
one's a purchase. So
that's always been an issue, has been click-through rate. It's always been, just under 1%. That's always been a challenge of getting it higher. And I think it's starting to climb higher. Maybe it doesn't matter if I'm getting the conversions with a low click-through rate, right?
yeah, so it could be your industry, but let's see what these other ad click-through rates look like as well. So this one is 0.96. I mean, you doubled on this one. Your cost per click is a little bit lower, but your CPM's double, but you have
Yeah.
much better conversion rate on this one. So let's just see what this ad does. These are sending to the product page.
Yes.
Okay, let's label the ads by name, like product page, bestsellers page.
Okay.
Founders post, perfect.
Yeah.
Was this one running previously?
I cleaned it up and I made it a little sharper and more concise. And so I have a few versions of it. And what I find, I do this sort of as top of funnel is the shorter one, and then a more detailed one as people move down the experience. But it does well. I mean, and she's available to do one anytime. So we take it as far as we want to go. Peach tastes like you're sipping on some sunshine. It's my wife, by the way. She's very cute.
Yeah, the video is great.
We blend strawberry flavors with dandelion root extract and lemongrass. Chappell is an invitation to you to raise your vibration. Thank you for your support. Raise your vibe.
Yeah, I love it. Let's do another variation of this, except just with a stronger call to action.
Okay.
And then let me watch the beginning again. Okay, there. So product immediately was shown. So that's good.
And I have this vision to deliver a beautiful refreshment.
Okay, so now, all right, so we're gonna do another variation. Stronger call to action at the end, except we're gonna use this voice overlay. You're gonna take her voice from this video.
Okay.
And you're gonna overlay different videos. So like this part's fine. A beautiful refreshment. It's going to be like a 1 to 2 second video of like, y'all like going through the process at the warehouse or whatever, right?
Got all of that. I've got manufacturing,
or like the branding,
videos, warehousing, all
just
of it. Yeah.
overlays throughout the video, and then like just like a happy ending, right? Same thing.
Like happy endings.
Yeah. So there you go. And then like from there, that should help drop your costs. Founders videos always crush it. So I'm happy that we're here. This number can be optimized purely off audience. You could actually get down to 20, 15 off of this. This video right here, you already have. So duplicate this ad, drop it in all the other audiences. Be careful when you're copying. When you hit copy, what you want to do is make sure you choose the existing ad group, like for which one it's going to be. So you'll just go down the line of those.
Gotcha.
Duplicate it, drop it in there, make sure they're all titled the same name. Then you're going to have that other variation of this video.
All in this campaign though, right? All this in this conversion.
Yeah. So you'll do them in each ad group.
I gotcha.
Because you have enough data now where it makes sense. We can like go through and analyze some of this stuff. Let's also look at like a shorter time frame. Like now we can do like last 7.
Yeah. I mean, really it started picking up on Friday. I think I started seeing some action. So it's really in the last weekend.
Yeah, this is good.
I don't know what, something just changed, and it was your mojo, buddy. I'm telling you, people sensed it.
Yeah, these video styles are good. It's all about just implementing it, right? Because once it's in and it's just given a little bit of time, it starts to crush it. Okay, so this one's obviously performing very well, even at a double the cost of the CPM, which is interesting. All right, let's do this. Let's do today, just see where we're at. Wow, okay. You already have sales.
Right?
Yeah, it's early.
It's amazing.
Yeah, that's crazy. Okay, good. It's a good sign. What were these other videos here yesterday? And you can play around with this toggle. I would never worry about day to day, but it's always a, wow, that's amazing. Look at that.
Right?
Okay, so let's leave it alone for the most part. Take this ad though and drop it in like the top one and like these other two.
Yeah, so I think that one at the top of the zeros, I may have shut that one off because it just wasn't performing.
Today?
Yesterday, I think.
Oh, this one was turned off.
Yeah.
But actually just take this one from the bottom and put it at the top. I Actually, I wouldn't even touch these two because these might actually be optimizing because you got a lot of sales yesterday. Like that was just crazy.
Yeah, right. I thought it was like a weekend thing, and today there's already been 2 or 3. So
yeah, so the system is definitely picking up here. It's finding the groove of the audience for sure. Just have these other next creatives ready in the pipeline.
That's easy.
Like expect this to last 7 days and be gone.
Okay.
And that way you always have that urgency to have like the next round.
Yeah, I mean, listen, I'm always have creatives coming in daily just because I know how quickly things phase out.
I've been drinking Petal as a healthy alternative to the sugary sodas and teas, and it's helped with my sugar cravings. Let me tell you why. So there are 6 flavors to choose from. This is the peach marigold basil. They're all super delicious and all made with organic ingredients, so you know they're super clean. Only 10 to 15 calories from organic agave and only 4 carbs if I'm on the keto vibe. This is the elderberry white tea flower, and it's filled with antioxidants and it's super hydrating. And this is the strawberry lemongrass dandelion. So while you may think Petal is only for the ladies, I know there are a ton of botanicals out there that enjoy Petal just as much. If you want to check out Petal for yourself, use code HELLO30 for 30% off your first purchase. I've been drinking Petal as a...
I think I filmed that at like 2 in the morning, by the way.
Yeah, that's good. Okay. Yeah, this one was awesome. Let's upload this one into the library.
Okay.
And what you'll do is, here's an example here. What you'll do is you'll add this one into the library. And then instead of it being a Spark ad, we'll just have it as a normal ad in here. Once it loads, I'm gonna show you how we can add in captions real fast and like just compare captions versus
Sure.
non. So let's choose that video as the post, but we can upload the video. Do you already have it uploaded?
I think it's just a Spark. That's not it. So it might be on, I think it's on my personal page. So you have to switch to
Okay, so I'm just gonna do an example for you. And then like you can just upload it, right?
Yeah.
So what you'll do is you'll add in this video.
Yeah.
Let's just hit confirm real fast. So let's say this is the video that you uploaded, right?
Right.
In here, what you're going to do is you're going to, once it's here, oh, this is still pulling in Spark. Okay, so we'll turn this off. So once you have it in here, you'll choose from library. I don't know why it's not letting me click confirm. Can you pick a video real fast?
Oh, sorry, I don't know what it is, but either way, I'm happy that I need to take to become.
What is going on here?
Basically, say that
I mean, I know where you're headed with this. I think, I can do it. So I understand.
Do you know how to turn on automated captions?
Yeah,
Make my
from
latest
the
and greatest
editor, from like the
session.
TikTok.
Yeah,
editor.
you just press the button and it automates it.
Sure.
That's all you needed to do.
So annoying that they just start playing like that. All right.
Yeah.
So
But once you do that, then just test that video against it.
no problem.
Cool. Yeah, I mean, things are looking solid.
Hey, I have you to thank, man. I mean, it's a new day over here at Pedal Beverage with TikTok. So thanks a lot.
Love it. Awesome.
All right,
Alrighty, thanks,
Jason,
Aaron.
appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem. So that was one of the one-on-one coaching sessions with one of our students, and you can quite literally see the success they were having and the excitement that they actually saw once they actually were able to believe that sales are achievable on TikTok. Lots of times people will spend money on TikTok and think maybe it's the audience, maybe the results are not there, maybe TikTok isn't the platform for me. But believe it or not, with just a few changes, you could start literally seeing, 10, 15, 20, 35, 50 sales in a single day after making just a few changes with your ads. It really does come down to having the right creatives in place, having the right audience, making sure your spend is structured in the way that is friendly with TikTok to deliver. And that's exactly what we do inside of our Ads Mastery one-on-one mentorship, where we work directly one-on-one with you and being able to actually achieve your success and goals, where we've scaled brands from 0 to 2 million and scaled other brands from, 0 to $1 million per month. And I do want to be very transparent about our Ads Mastery mentorship program. This program is invite and apply only. So when you do click the link below and actually, complete the form, you do have to qualify to actually be on a call, as well as be able to see if you're the right fit for, our team and us to actually work together, because every business is different and we want to make sure that you can actually get the results, handle the scale, have the inventory, or if you're, a B2B business or a lead-based business, being able to actually handle that volume of growth. So if you do want to apply, feel free to DM me the word mentor at Real Chase Chappell on Instagram. I'm happy to share more information and be able to actually send you a link there, or you can click below this video and actually access the link and be able to book a call. All right, y'all, it's your favorite digital marketer here, Chase Chappell, and I really appreciate you for watching this video. I hope to see you on the next one. Cheers and bye, y'all. Hey, if you made it to the end of this video, then I know you're an ambitious learner and you're looking for more. So go ahead and click this video here. I hand selected it for you.